This is one of the coolest finds that I've found on Amazon. This is probably one of my favorite tools, and it's so small. This is actually a wrist guide, so when you're using your mouse, it allows you to glide across without having to worry about your hand rubbing raw on the computer desk. This surface allows you to move right across whatever surface that you're on without having to feel that sensation of rubbing your wrist on the desk. If you're doing a moderate amount of computer work, this can really make a big difference. There's a lot of times that I sit here and I do a lot of charting and my hand just gets so tired because of the friction. But this just literally rests right upon the grooves of your hand here and allows you to move with greater ease. So I would highly recommend this. It feels really soft, it's cushioned, so it's not too thick, it's really soft right here. And then once again, on the bottom here, you've got some pieces that allow it to slide or glide. Easy to clean, just take a Lysol wipe and wipe it down. I've had this for at least 2 years and hasn't broken down, no signs of excessive wear or tear. So it's a great product and I would recommend this.